Hello, everyone, and welcome back. I am so happy you are here to practice English with me today. Today, our topic is hobbies. A hobby is an activity we do for fun. It is not our job. We do hobbies in our free time because we enjoy them. Talking about hobbies is a great way to get to know someone. In this video, I will tell you about my favorite hobby. I will speak slowly and use simple words. Are you ready? Let's start. So, what is a hobby? A hobby is something you choose to do. You don't do it for money. You do it because it makes you feel happy, relaxed, or interested. For example, your job could be a teacher or a doctor. That is work. But your hobby could be playing the guitar or reading books. That is for fun. People have many different hobbies. Having a hobby is very good for us. It gives us a break from work or school. It helps us learn new skills and have fun. Now, I will tell you about my hobby. My favorite hobby is painting. I love to paint. It is a very creative and colorful hobby. To paint, I need some things. I need paints, of course. I have many colors: red, blue, yellow, green, white, and black. I can mix the colors to make new colors. I also need brushes. I have big brushes and small brushes. Big brushes are for big areas, and small brushes are for small details. And finally, I need something to paint on. Sometimes I use paper, but I love to use a canvas. A canvas is a special whiteboard for painting. First, I think about what I want to paint. Maybe a flower, a tree, or the sea. Then I take my brush and my paints and I start to create a picture on the canvas. It is very exciting to see a blank canvas become a colorful picture. What do I like to paint? My favorite thing to paint is nature. I love painting landscapes. A landscape is a picture of the outside world. I like to paint mountains with snow on top. I like to paint green forests with tall trees, and I especially love to paint the ocean. I use many shades of blue and white to paint the water and the waves. Sometimes I also like to paint animals. I have a painting of a cat and a painting of a bird. Painting animals is fun, but it can be difficult to get the eyes right. I don't usually paint people. For me, nature is more peaceful and relaxing to paint. I have a special corner in my house for my hobby. It is near a window, so I have a lot of light. All my paints and brushes are there. It is my little art studio. I don't have time to paint every day because of work. I usually paint on the weekends, on Saturday or Sunday afternoon. This is my special time. When I paint, I like to listen to quiet music. It helps me concentrate and feel calm. Painting for 2 or 3 hours makes me forget all of my stress. It is like meditation for me. So, why do I love painting so much? There are a few reasons. First, it makes me feel happy. Using colors and creating something beautiful with my own hands is a wonderful feeling. Second, it is very relaxing. When I am focused on my painting, my mind is clear. I don't worry about problems. I'm only thinking about the picture. It is very peaceful. Third, I can create a gift for my friends and family. Last year, for my mother's birthday, I painted her favorite flowers. She loved it. It was a very special present because I made it myself. So for me, painting is not just a hobby. It is a way to express my feelings, to relax my mind, and to show my love for others. Of course, painting is just one hobby. People have many different hobbies. Some people love reading books. They travel to new worlds through stories. Other people enjoy playing sports, like football or tennis. This is a great way to stay active and healthy. Many people like cooking or baking. They love to make delicious food for themselves and others. Gardening is another wonderful hobby. People grow flowers and vegetables in their garden, and many people play a musical instrument, like the guitar or the piano. All these hobbies are great. The best hobby is the one that you enjoy. Today, we talked all about hobbies. We learned that a hobby is something we do for fun in our free time. I told you about my favorite hobby, painting, and why I love it. We also looked at other popular hobbies. Now, I have a question for you. I would love to hear about your hobby. What is your favorite hobby? Please write your answer in the comments section below. You can write something simple. For example, my favorite hobby is reading, or I like to play football. It is great practice for your English writing. I will read every comment. Thank you for joining me for this listening practice. If you enjoyed the lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos to help you learn English. I will see you next time. Goodbye.